Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking hauls. This is a mixture of items I picked up from sales and from new releases, so I wanted to just kind of store things and wait until I had a chance to tell you guys about them, and I'm ready. So Fenty had their friends and family sale, and I picked up their mini lip gloss set, and these two here are my favorite. These are pretty, but these two here are what I would typically gravitate for, and I really hope that she makes these permanent and in her larger size, because those are just right on the spot for me. I also picked up her mini Stunna lip paints. I have Unmatched and Underrated, and I really love her formula. I'm not a fan of the actual applicator because I feel like my lips are not full enough to really just get a nice smooth application. Like, it takes a little bit of work, but her formulation is just stunning. So I wanted to get these. Sephora also had their friends and family sale, and I took advantage and I bought a Patrick Ta brow wax because, guys, let me show you. Boom, gone. And these little edges, I think I'm just gonna scrape them out and see if I can mash them up in the center, because I am that person. I will scrape the life out of things. And I picked up two of the Natasha Denona Chromium liquid shadows. I picked up the green and the purple. They are just Makeup Forever also had their friends and family sale, and I picked up two of their liners. These are the Aqua Resist color pencils. I picked up a brown and a black for my kit. I also picked up one for myself, along with a navy. And the other thing I grabbed was this Aqua Resist Smoky Shadow, and I got it in the olive green. I'm a sucker for olive. I couldn't resist it. I saw it and I was like, I want it. I also picked up an Ultra HD concealer in 41, which is Apricot. This is my favorite concealer. I'm currently going through, I think it's 34, which is a little light for my taste. I prefer something that has more of a peachy undertone and that is a little closer to my skin tone. So this is my favorite, and part of me goes, damn, we should have gotten at least two, but I only got one. And then I picked up two of their Rouge Artist lipsticks. These are the new ones that they are advertising, and wait till you see the colors. Yep, that's what I got. So let me show you guys what they look like. So this is number 312, which, if you guys don't know, it's a Chicago area code. That's not why I got it though. I got it because it's an orange. This is what it looks like. And these are meant to be held like this. So I haven't tried them yet. I'm excited to try them. Just because of the colors, really. I'm just a sucker for good orange and red. I'm just a sucker. And let me show you 400. 400 is a bright red. Again, same packaging. Looks like this. So good. I will probably end up using these when I start filming my holiday looks, which will be soon. All right, and the last thing is I got a lipstick, a little mini one. It's 101, which is just a really pretty mauve nude. And this was just a sample that they gave, which is super cute. I forgot to mention that with the Sephora sale, I picked up two of these Bite Beauty glosses. This one is Rose Meringue. I've been using this a ton. I really like this. I like the packaging. As you guys can see, I've used quite a bit of it already. And you have this silicone applicator that looks like a lipstick, like a bullet. And then the other shade I have is Cider Donut. Oh, so pretty. Look at this, guys. It is just like a really pretty pinky bronze shade, just so you can compare them. So pretty, and I do like the formulation a lot. I think they did a really nice job with their gloss. It's not sticky, it's just really lovely. So I'm leaving my favorites for last. I'm going to start off with Pat McGrath. Boom. So I picked up 2 of her palettes. I actually just got these yesterday. Her delivery has just been ridiculous. Her shipping has been ridiculous. I placed these as soon as they were launched, and it took 2 weeks to get it. Same thing with the palette. Like, it's just, I'm sure you've heard it everywhere. It's crazy. So the first palette I have here is Flor Fantasia. Let me show you guys. I think this is a purpley one. But I couldn't resist getting these. I thought they were so pretty. And while I said that if she came out with more of these pinky quads and palettes, I wouldn't get them, I had to. Oh, I love this. These shades here, these across, were really what just drew me in. Like, honestly, this palette is so beautiful to me. I couldn't resist it. It was just calling my name. And the other palette I got was Risque Rose, which is the pinky palette. Let me show you what that looks like. So beautiful. And really, these 2 shades were where I felt like, yes, let's get it. Again, I haven't played with these yet. I'm excited to play with them and see what looks I come up with. So you guys will be seeing that hopefully soon. I've been really busy at work, guys. I haven't had much time to film. I had scratched my cornea. Today's the first day I'm wearing my contacts, so that was also an issue. But anyway, I got the Champagne Gold highlighter. This, I was like, yeah, I'm not really interested in getting it. But then I saw swatches and I'm like, you know what, let's try it. I'm so happy I got it, guys. Look at this packaging. It is stunning. It's so heavy. When I grabbed it, I was like, what the frick is in here? It felt like a brick. So you turn it, which was something that I really wasn't feeling. Like, I'm like, why? But this is the prettiest champagne nude highlighter. The packaging is so luxe and gorgeous. I'm thinking I need to showcase this on my vanity. I could do without the box. Like I told you guys, I wasn't a huge fan of the box, but look, guys, worth it. When you think about the pricing, you're like, oh, it's a lot of money. It feels luxurious. It's heavy. Like, you could hurt somebody if you whip this at them. It's so beautiful. And again, I haven't played with it yet. I'll probably end up filming tomorrow, hopefully. I said I saved the best for last. I mean, that was kind of hard to beat, honestly, because it's Pat McGrath, right? And she's just mother. But Lisa Eldridge, guys. So Lisa Eldridge came out with a new collection. And for those of you that don't know, she's an incredible makeup artist. She has a YouTube channel, so you guys should go follow her if you don't already. And she created these beautiful lipsticks. They're like a velvety finish lipstick 3 years ago. And I own quite a bit of them. That right there is full of her lipsticks. So for each collection she comes out with, she always has a little pouch. So this one is blue. It's so freaking beautiful. Let me show you previous years. 3 years, okay? Boom. Boom. This one's black and red. So these have been her collections. This one's my least favorite just because the texture, I'm just like, meh. And so now going back to the blue. So this year was special because you were able to either buy one of her pre-selected sets, or you were able to create your own. This year, not only did she come out with lipsticks, but she came out with glosses. So I feel compelled to make a video on her collection because it's just freaking amazing. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna show you guys. So the blue bag. In my blue bag, I picked 3 of her glosses. I have on one of them as we speak. I have Beauty on, which is this guy here. So, boom. 3 of her glosses. And she came out with a beautiful emerald green. I am a sucker for emerald green. And I picked up 3 of her lipsticks. Boom. I haven't played with these. Oh, this one. And I haven't swatched anything. Like, they are still brand new. I also got these yesterday. Most of my stuff actually came in yesterday, which I was surprised that it all came in. And she also sent these little velvety stickers, which I love and will not use until I get my whole phone situation sorted out. The last bag, which I think is probably one of the prettiest bags that she's put out. This is a bag that she had designed by an artist that she met, and you know, she talks about it a little bit on her YouTube channel, but the bag is just beautiful. And in that bag I got one of her glosses. I got one of the new lipsticks that she released. I haven't played with this yet either. And something that she's never released before, a lip liner. Again, I have not played with any of these yet because I want to make a whole video dedicated to swatching and telling you guys about it. But I love Lisa Eldridge. I think that she is somebody that really puts a lot of time, thought, and effort into developing her products. Her formula is stunning. It looks very velvety. It's a matte, a very comfortable matte. It's long wearing. And what I will tell you guys about her is that she only releases once a year. Originally, she was planning on restocking throughout the year and making her products available, but she decided not to do that because making her lipsticks is a time-consuming process because of the formula, because of the, I guess, the overall process. And she decided that instead of rushing her process to meet the demand, that she would only ever release once a year. So if you missed out, I'm sorry. But I know that she will continue to put out amazing products. And yeah, that completes my haul for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know down below what you've gotten. And I will be honest with you guys, this little mama is going to be slowing down because it's just too much. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week. And leave a comment down below letting me know, what have you picked up? Was there anything that I hauled that you would like more information on or that you'd like a video on? Let me know down below. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.